Welcome to the CPAP Shop's YouTube page. Learn how to change the cushion of the Resmed AirFit F40 CPAP mask in this video. The Resmed AirFit F40 is designed for comfort, simplicity, and performance. Its low-profile design was made with all patients in mind, to fit into their varying lifestyles and therapy needs. 96% of patients said the F40 was comfortable at first fit, and 100% found the F40 easy to use. The fully silicone, under-the-nose cushion delivers a soft, adaptive, and secure seal all night long, without the traditional pressure points of a full-face mask. Featuring AdaptSeal technology and quiet air diffused venting, the AirFit F40 cushion is engineered to enhance your sleep therapy experience, making compliance easier and more comfortable than ever. To replace the cushion, first start by squeezing both side buttons on the elbow and detach it from the vent ring. Then, gently pull the cushion studs on each side away from the frame and headgear straps. Lastly, pull the vent ring from the cushion. To put a new cushion in, insert the cushion studs into the stud holes on both sides of the frame. Align the vent ring groove against the cushion opening. Press firmly to secure in place, and ensure that the cushion opening sits into the vent ring groove. Lastly, connect the elbow back to the vent ring. Your mask is ready to be used again. Good luck with your CPAP therapy. If you have any questions, call our team at 866-414-9700.